Hello and welcome to the iPod Touch 2nd generation and iPhone 3G jailbreak on the 4.1 4.0. This jailbreak will be using a software called Red Snow developed by the dev team. You can check out their website in the description, and let's get started. Okay guys, with that all out of the way, so let's get to the prerequisites and warnings. Okay, this will jailbreak the iPod Touch 2nd generation iPhone 3G on the firmwares 4.1 and 4.0 only. This still is currently in beta, but I haven't had any issues with using the software. It's pretty stable, personally, in my preferences. This will be a tethered jailbreak for MC model iPod Touches. To check if your iPod Touch is an MC model, you guys go to the Settings application, then go to General, and then go to About. And if your serial number has MC in front of it, this will be a tethered jailbreak. What a tethered jailbreak means is that you have to run this application or software every single time you want to boot up your iPod Touch. I don't recommend this for the newcomers to the jailbreak, being that it is a little more complex than just usually booting up your iPod or iPod Touch. If you want to unlock your iPhone 3G with Ultra Snow, I recommend using Pwnage tool instead. There will be a written tutorial from our forums down in the description. Go ahead and use that. And this software supports Mac and PC. I will be demoing it on a PC, Macintosh. It really is no difference in GUI or even doing the steps wise. So, and also make sure to have iTunes installed on your computer that you're jailbreaking with. It's also a very important key thing to remember that some people always have issues with, that you can use it without iTunes. No, you need iTunes because it installs some drivers for it to recognize iPod Touch as an iPod Touch or an iPhone as an iPhone 3G. So with all that out of the way, I also recommend reading this entire post and reading through it very thoroughly and making sure you know that everything you're going to be doing is correct. So let's get started. First, guys, you're going to need to go to this website. Link will be in the description, where you guys will need to download the 4.1 for your iPod Touch or iPhone 3G. You guys will download the file. Do not download it with Safari. It will give you an error. Make sure to download it with either Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, or any other browser of that sort, other than Safari, because Safari usually blocks it and messes it up. So make sure to download it with one of those browsers. And once you have it downloaded, save it to your desktop. Now you're going to need to actually download the Red Snow application depending on your operating system. As I mentioned before, you're going to need to have iTunes installed on which computer you're jailbreaking with, as I mentioned. And you guys will need to download Red Snow for your operating system. I have two download links down in the description. It will be either a Windows or a Mac download. Download depending on your operating system. And if you're downloading the Windows version, just unzip it, and let's continue with the tutorial. Okay guys, now we're going to go ahead and open up the Red Snow application that we downloaded earlier. And you guys are going to get this window. You guys can see that it will explain pretty much the Red Snow application, a little bit about it. And okay, so now we're going to need to browse for the 4.0 or 4.1 IPSW that we downloaded a little bit earlier ago. And get it down and choose it. I have it on my desktop, so I'm just going to go ahead and select it and click Next. Now you're going to get this warning or prompt saying or asking if it is an MC model iPod Touch 2nd generation. If it is going to jailbreak it, but it will be tethered. And as I mentioned earlier, tethering is not very good for the new person to jailbreaking. If you guys would like to know more about tethering, you guys can join the forums. Tethering pretty much links it to your computer, and you can't pretty much shut off or turn it on without plugging it into your computer. So I recommend not using this jailbreak if you guys want to have a tethered jailbreak. So I'm going to click No because I'm not tethered, and go ahead and click Next. Now guys, this is where you can start to choose what you want to put on your iPod Touch or iPhone 3G and what type of jailbreak things you want to put on there. You guys will get the choice between, you can install Cydia, which is a jailbreak downloader, like pretty much the App Store for the jailbreak world, pretty much. So it is pretty much a most wanted thing to have when you're jailbreaking, so make sure to have that checked. Some other things like Verbose boot, that is kind of like a code boot. When it boots up, it shows the code. It's kind of a cool look. If you'd like more to see about that, there's a demo video in the description. You can see it there. Custom boot logo, custom recovery logo, those are pretty much just, you don't really need to know what those are if you're a beginner. If you know what they are, go ahead and you can change them if you want. In multitasking, I pretty much leave those off because it really lags out your device. Unless if you really want it, you can go ahead and do it. But if you're very new to jailbreaking, I'd recommend just keeping the default like I'm going to keep them, and just click Next. Okay guys, now you're going to need to shut off your device and have it plugged into the computer. So you're going to need to first plug it into the computer and then shut off your iPod or iPhone. Once you guys have it shut off, we're going to get into the actual jailbreaking and putting into DFU mode. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit more challenging and probably the most challenging part of the jailbreak, which is the easiest to screw up. So what you guys are going to do, after you click this next button, you guys are going to be asked to hold the power button for 3 seconds, then the home and the power button for 10 seconds, and then keep holding the home button until the jailbreak red snow application starts loading the jailbreak on there. So you need to make sure to be ready for it when it actually happens. Click the next button. It will show the directions on the actual red snow application, but just make sure that you will have to hold the power button for 3 seconds right after you click the next button. So let's get going. So I'm getting my finger on the power button and get ready to click next. And I'm going to hold the power button for 3 seconds. And then after 3 seconds, I'm going to hold the home and the power button. And as you can see, there is Verbose boot, what it looks like, if you guys do want to have it going. And now I'll just keep holding the home button for 30 seconds. Or actually a little bit less until the actual jailbreak starts. So about like 20 or 10 seconds. And when you see the white screen on your iPod Touch, you can go ahead and let go of the home button and let the jailbreak data download onto the actual iPod Touch or iPhone 3G. Now this part may take a long time. It won't require any input from you at all, but it will take some time to actually download it and actually install the jailbreak itself. So please be patient. You may want to go, like, let's say, make a sandwich or something like that, or click the subscribe button while it goes. Okay guys, now it has finished downloading the jailbreak data and installing it, and I'm going to go ahead and slide to unlock. And you guys will need to go into your last page of applications, and you guys will see the icon Cydia. Now Cydia is for anyone new to the jailbreak world, it's pretty much like the App Store for jailbreaking. I'm going to make some videos after this and describe for you guys what Cydia is and how to use it, how it sources, download applications, themes, mods, etc. And I'll show you guys how to do that. So guys, that was a iPhone help support tutorial by YourMacManDan. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to hope to make more videos lately and get more back into these iPhone videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe up in the corner or up top there. Make sure to leave a comment, say thanks to like this video, and favorite. Thanks guys, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.